Now here I have this part here. This is actually a NAND gate. This here is an OR gate. Now I also have this thing which is an AND gate, but however it's not receiving any inputs here. Let me just demonstrate these for a second. So that's when I press this one on. This is when I press this one on.
So what is happening here when I do that one?
Wait, so this turns on if at least one of these switches are pressed. This turns on if none of this. This turns on except when the switches are both on.
Okay. Because that's a NAND gate?
Yeah, it's a NAND gate. So I have this.
And the other one is?
And the other one is an OR gate.
Okay, so what happens for the other one?
Here, this lights up as expected. Here, it also lights up as expected.
Okay.
And I press both. It lights up as expected, and this one doesn't light up.
Okay, this is NAND gate.
Now, let me just put these wires here. Let me just move that. Move that. Now, let's see. There we go. Now I'm putting inputs to this AND gate, and actually the inputs are the outputs of these NAND and OR gates.
So what does that make it?
What that makes it? It makes it an XOR gate.
Okay, let's see. Let's see the XOR gate.
The XOR gate, well, it is basically an OR gate, but does not light up when both of the switches are on.
Okay, let's see. Okay, lighting up. Lighting up. Oh, so XOR gate is like when both of the switches are not turned on, it will not light up.
When exactly, let me just rephrase it. When exactly one of the switches is on.
One of the two. Okay. Okay, cool. Thank you. So what are you gonna do after this one?
What I'm gonna do after this one, I'm gonna make an AND gate here, and it will turn into this adder when I put the lights on.
So adder, what kind of adder?
A binary adder, a binary half adder.
Okay. Okay, now what do you have, Avek?
Here I have this bit adder here.
Okay.
Now it actually adds the values of these two switches. For example, off is this position, on is this position, 1 is this position, 0 is this position, I mean.
Okay.
So let me show you what it does. So here we're in binary here.
Okay, so only one input is J1. Only one. So 1 and 0. Okay. Nice.